Sorry about that, guys. I had a bad connection. So we're gonna go back to here. Okay, so uh, a capture page, that's exactly what it does. It captures people's emails. So that's where it starts, guys. You capture people's emails, but let's not get this far ahead. Let's go back to Power Lead System. Power Lead System, like I said, it offers you the tools that any business needs, any business needs to be successful. So pretty much you get all the business. You can promote anything, guys. With this, you can promote anything. If we go to websites, actually, let's go to my websites. I have more than one, so I have. Let's test this link. This is a different capture page.
Hey everyone, it's Jeff here.
There's a different capture page that I can use to capture people's emails, or I can go to this other one which I made for Craigslist. This is a different one. This is another simple one. Or I can even go to another one that I had made for Four Corners, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna continue to promote Four Corners or not. But this is a welcome video, which I'm actually gonna switch this right here. I'm gonna still be using this, but all of this information here is gonna be changed. Now this right here, guys, this is what I'm gonna start sending everybody whenever they opt in to my capture pages. They're gonna be getting this video, which is a welcome video, and then I'm gonna have information here. So if you it's gonna say something like, if you haven't registered, register here now. But of course it's not gonna take you to this page, because I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna have a different page here. uh, but you'll see, once if you opt in, you'll see the info. uh, this right here, I'm probably gonna take it off. I'm not gonna have that one right there. And then here I'm also gonna have my Facebook. So if you click there, it's gonna take you straight to my Facebook, so that you can send me a friend request on Facebook. And also he's gonna give you access so that you can click there, so you can actually subscribe to my YouTube channel, and they would take you to my YouTube channel. So there's a lot of things that I'm gonna be working on, but let me go back to let's go back to Power Lead System, and I'm gonna pretty much tell you what to do. Okay, let's say that you decide to join Power Lead System as an affiliate. You would pay $53 a month, and you can make $20 commissions off of everybody that opt-ins, that subscribes to Power Lead System through your link. So I think the internet is a little slow today. And again, sorry about that, guys, but we have a bad internet connection today. But anyways, once you decide to get started with Power Lead System, when you come to the back office, this is where you go. This is where it's gonna bring you, and you're gonna have all of this pretty much. Most of this is gonna be red until you actually decide to do each one of these. Now, when you come here, the first thing you wanna do, either you wanna start from here. You wanna do click the easy button. So that's the first thing you wanna do. You wanna click on there, And this is going to give you the getting started in 3 simple steps with a Power Lead system. Now this is a video, and this is exactly what you have to do. A lot of people don't have success because they don't follow these directions. If you want to be successful with Power Lead system, let me go back to getting started. When you get to here, this is how you're gonna be successful, guys. You wanna come to the click easy button and you wanna click that. That's the first thing you wanna do. Don't do anything else but do this right here. And then it says getting started in 3 simple steps. Now the next thing you wanna do, you wanna click here, and you wanna watch this 12-minute video. This 12-minute video is going to give you a head start so that you can get started with this business, promoting it today. And if you get it in front of enough people today, you might even start getting sales today. I'm not promising any sales today, but it is possible. There's a lot of people that are doing it. Now, once you watch this whole video, follow step number 1, which it says join our Facebook group. Why is it important to join the Facebook group? Now let's go over there real quick. I'm gonna go to let's go to home and Power Lead system. Why is it important to join the Power Lead system group? Well, it is very important because this is the first thing you're gonna tell you if you're approached by another member via Instant Messenger or otherwise. So this pretty much gives you a rundown of what to do and what not to do. Now, when you come here, you want to check this area right here. You want to go to files. And here in these files, you're going to find pretty much everything that you need to use Power Lead system and how to create everything. It has the training for almost anything you can imagine. So more than likely you'll find a answer to any problem you have here. So free lead system calculator, 500-day complete plan. Here, this right here, make sure you watch this one so that you understand how the compensation plan works. Let me see, Power Lead system, Hangouts, PLS, daily system, Power Lead system, Hangout, PLS, training, PLS. And as you can see, you can find almost everything here. Also, very important, you wanna see this one right here, Power Lead system, available countries. This is gonna tell you on what countries you can promote Power Lead system, or which countries are available and which ones are not. Let me see. And hold on, let me plug in my laptop real quick. Let me see. But anyways, guys, this you, like I say, you wanna come here because the best thing about this group is that you can actually ask questions. You can type a question here, and then most members, there's a lot of members that have been with this company for a lot of time, a lot of years, and they're more than happy and willing to help you. So for example, this lady says, ugh, so I signed up 2 days ago and I am so confused. I've already gotten spam and friend requests, blah blah. And then everybody starts giving her help. This is even faster than trying to go to the support group for Power Lead system. And like again, this guy said, hi, I would like to upgrade my membership, upgrade from lead lightning to customer, however I attend. So he asked his question, and then this lady, Miss Karen Petty, she's a admin, so she's quick to give him help. And even I've actually posted on here and I've gotten help. And also, this is very cool because you actually see people being successful. You see people right here posting their results, posting how much they've made, how many leads they're getting. And so this group is very, very important that you join this group. So let's go back. here. Okay, and then you want to choose links below. So you want to choose what link you want to promote. Either you want to promote lead lightning, show link, or if you want to promote your primary business, you can use B. If you want to promote your own business, you want to enter whatever URL you have to for your business, you want to put it here, and then once you hit update, that's going to give you a link. It's going to give you a link for you to promote the link that you want to start promoting, and that's step number 3, advertise your links. Now you are not ready to start promoting yet. You want to come down here and it says take a tour of your system. This right here is very important, guys. You want to make sure you click on this one, click on take a tour of your system, so that you learn how to use the email slash text, the websites, promote business, the contacts, training, account, and all of that. This is going to give you a breakdown of all of this, of where everything is and what everything does. Then after that, you want to come here, you want to go to how do I market my link. You click on that one and they're going to teach you exactly how to do it, guys. They're going to teach you exactly how to market that link. And again, my link is, let me see, this is my link right here. This is one of my links that I'm using. Again, this is when people click on get instant access. Look at this. The first thing it does is ask them enter your name and email below, and then they enter their name, the email, and then they say get instant access. And once they click there, then they are sent over to my contact list, which is here. And that's it, guys. That's all you have to do to start promoting this company. So every time somebody enters their email here on this right here, every time somebody enters their email there, the email is sent over to my contacts. Yeah, so it's gonna go over to contact manager, and here I have a list of all my of all the leads or all the opt-ins that I've gotten. And from here I can actually go to email, and I can just click on send campaign, and from there I'll be able to do like the big companies. I'll be able to do like Overstock.com does to me, sending me their offers. I can actually choose here which message I want to send them, and then here I can choose all the leads that I have. I can choose who I want to send the lead to, and then I can just keep scrolling down and choose a date to send the email, and that's it. As soon as I click choose date to send email and I send it, I'll be sending this whatever email I create to 613 people at the same time. So Power Lead system, guys, works. Power Lead system works. And also if you want to get faster results without the hassle of having to talk to a lot of people, let the system do its work, guys. Let the system do the work. If we go to websites, let's see, websites. Actually, nah, not websites. Let me go. We can actually go to view all domains, and it's going to show me a list of all the domains that I own. And if you saw the one I have on top is this one right here, Bitcointino. And then this is the capture page that I'm using, capture page number 10. And as soon as they enter their email, they go straight to a sales page. And then survey, they get Power Lead system opportunity, which is a 9 email list they send automatically, which means I don't have to do nothing, guys, other than just get people over to this page. When people come to this page and watch this video,
and the money to do whatever you want.
When they watch this video and they click get instant access, they give me their name, their email, then their information is sent over to my contacts over here. But you know what happens next? The system takes over. The system starts sending them emails on my behalf every other day. Every other day, people start get my emails, and is I mean it's pretty cool. I mean just keep doing it over and over, and you start getting sales. Now we can go to my commissions earned. We're gonna look at what I'm this coming week of which it would be this Wednesday, I believe. I believe this Wednesday I should be getting paid $800, which is 29. Yeah, I believe this week. Yeah, I think it's gonna be 11 days because every time you make a sale, guys, you get paid 11 days after that. 11 days after that, you get paid on the Wednesday, whatever Wednesday comes after the 11 days, you get paid. And as you can see, I have a PLS residual commission. For gold, I have $100, which means I have 5 people under me. And then the free ad secrets, which means somebody went diamond, I have 550, which means a few people bought it. And I got pass up sales as well. So this is what I could be looking at to earn, unless somebody asks for a refund. This would change, but as long as they stay with the system, I would get paid this on Wednesday, and that would be taken over to my, actually if I go to my wallet, it would tell me how much I earned and how much I got paid. So if I go here and I log in, now I'm gonna trust you guys, don't use my my email, but this is the Paylution back office, and right now I have $44.27 in my Hyper Wallet Visa, which I do have a Visa, and I can use that money anytime I want. So yeah, guys, you do get paid. You get paid, like I said, after you make your sale on the 11 days after your sale, on whatever Wednesday comes after the 11 days. That's when you get paid. So because the Power Lead system, they pay every Wednesday. So as long as your commissions are due, you will get paid. Now, after you did the easy button and you created your link and you went and learned how to market, you want to make sure that you turn all of these greens, because this is what I call going all in. I'm all in, guys, which means that I can make a lot more money with one single person than if you just go as an affiliate without buying big ticket items. So after you got your domain completed and you got your link, which would be like something like this, like mine, Bitcoin Tino. That's what I decided to use because Bitcoin is relevant right now. Bitcoin is trending right now. So just the name alone, is gonna get people to click on it. And then you wanna become an affiliate, which I did. So that means I'm getting, I'm paying, I believe it's like $30 to become an affiliate and be eligible to get paid on any sale I make. And then I went and added a picture to my profile, so when people see me, they know that I'm real and they know that I'm a real person. And then I got the free ad secret, which is diamond purchase, $147, and I get paid $100 every time somebody buys the diamond package. But then I missed a sale, guys. Somebody got a pass up from me because I didn't have a email. I mean, I didn't have the Social Profit Academy, which is a platinum. I didn't have this right here, guys. I didn't have this right here, so I had to pass it up. But then I decided, why not buy it? So I went and bought it. And that's why when you check here, when you check my commissions, you start seeing bigger commissions, guys. Why? Because I actually went all in. Now I got $100 commissions, $550, $150, and that's where the money starts adding up, guys. Now, before I say, let me see what else I want to talk to you guys about. Okay, well, this is Power Lead System, guys. Like I said, this is an awesome tool that you can use for any type of business, that you want to do. Let me see. I'm trying to get into my phone real quick. I'm gonna check something real quick. Let me see. Let me check something. Sorry about that, guys, but man, this internet connection sucks today. Uh, but yeah, guys, after you get your link, which it would be something like this. Once you buy your domain and you have a working link, which is like I said, you want to make sure that your domain is properly set up. You want to make sure that your domain is set up so that everything is done automatically for you, so that you don't have to work extra hard. Again, this is Bitcoin Tino. So once you create whatever capture page you want to use, then you want to go to the next step and make sure that after they give you the email, it goes straight to a sales page. And then as soon as it goes to the sales page, they're going to be put into an autoresponder, which is going to be sending emails automatically. But now, how do you get this type of leads that I'm getting? Because a lot of it's hard for you to get leads off of Facebook. It's hard to get leads just by talking about it. It's actually hard. A lot of people won't ever click on those links. So that's where my next thing I'm gonna talk about comes in. I'm gonna talk about Udemy. This is what I'm using, guys. This isn't gonna be no secret. This is what I'm using to promote Power Lead System. So I'm gonna copy the link and I'm gonna go to my live video, and let me see, I want to paste it on there so that you guys can use my link to start using Power Udemy. Let's see, use said Udemy for solo buying. So well, hopefully that works. Hopefully that link works. Okay, yeah, that link is linked to me, guys. So do me a favor and make sure you use that link, guys. What's the benefit for me if you guys use that link? Well, the benefit for me is that I get a percentage of you guys actually buying solos from Udemy. 15%. It says you will get 15% from all orders from your referral link. So whatever, however many times you buy, I'll get a percentage. So they would give me free money for free advertising, and then 50% from all primes. So if I decide to go prime, I would get 50% of pretty much whatever you guys spent. All referrals will get 5 constantly after Discord can be used and also, guys, if you decide to use the link by being referred by me to Udemy, you get $5 off of your first order, and you can use the code on any order that's $70 or more. And yeah, so let's go. I'm just gonna show you guys that I've been buying solo ads. I've been buying solo ads. So all of these right here, these are the ones that I've solo ads from, and most of them are pretty good. Most of them I've made sales from them. I've gotten a lot of leads from. This last one that I did, it was awesome, guys. I got 110% click. I actually only bought 300 clicks, but he actually gave me 330 clicks. So this was an awesome solo that I bought. So let me see. So I'm gonna give him a review. So I said no sales yet on the solos, but I got a lot of things. See, I got 93 opt-ins from your solo. I will buy from you again. Well, that's if I can even spell. and and then I'll post it, and boom, I like this right here. You want $5 discounts. So I can actually use these guys to buy a solo ad, and it's pretty simple, guys. I'm gonna go to the main home. Let me see. Okay, so this is my main home, and I have a message from, and I believe it's from. So clicks. Hey, can you please? So just did it. So this is the thing I like about this, because you can actually talk back and forth with people that are selling you the clicks. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna go home. We're gonna go home. And as you can see, this is the link so that I can actually save money. So what I'm gonna do, guys, bear with me. I'm gonna go into my bank account and I'm gonna move some money around, and I'm gonna buy solo ads in front of your eyes, guys. I'm gonna buy solo ad, because why say I'm doing something if I'm not doing it, guys? I am doing it, and I don't care doing it live. Why? Because I'm doing it live to show you that this is what I do, guys. This is exactly what I'm doing to get leads and turn into sales later on. And I can actually use the leads over and over again. I can send them more offers for other things. And again, sorry, guys, and I'm doing the little money transfer from here, from one account to another one. And let me see. And this is because I want to make sure I can buy $70 worth of clicks, and then but I'm gonna get a $5 discount, so that's gonna be awesome for me. I'm gonna actually save money live as we're here. But summary, make sure the money was transferred. Okay, yeah, money was transferred successfully. So this is what we do, guys. This is super simple, guys. Once you're ready, it doesn't even matter if you don't even have a power lead system. If you're promoting anything else but you need leads, you need to get leads, guys. This is very important, guys. Use Udemy, guys. It's in your best interest. Just go below here. Let me go into my phone, and I'm trying to see if I can actually. I'm gonna pin. I just pinned the link to the comments. So make sure you click on that link, and that's gonna take you straight to Udemy, and just create a free account. You don't have to pay for Prime, guys. I am not using the Prime. You have to pay a monthly subscription, but I'm just doing it free. And even as a free member, you still you get money from Udemy for your next solo ads. So once you're ready to start buying clicks, or start buying let's we could call it an email list. You could when you're ready to start buying your own solo ad list, you can go to find sellers. You can go to find sellers, and you can find their prices, and then make sure that they have 90% premium top tier, or which means countries that speak English, and uh, and don't be looking for the cheapest ones. You know, there's cheap ones. There are some, and again, don't look for the really expensive ones. Look for ones that have been delivering sales. There's a lot of them that actually have delivered sales, and a lot of them they have delivered nothing. So it's kind of hard. So I would actually go to solo deals. When you go to solo deals, you get people that, you know, they have better ratings, 67, 611, and then you can just look at this right here, 2,492 on his list, and I believe I bought from him before. And once you become a member from Udemy, guys, you actually do get emails from Udemy. Let me see if I can find one. Let me see, Udemy. Let's see, where are you, Udemy? Udemy, good news. Marcelo has been delivered. Udemy. Let me see. Okay, we can go to Udemy new solo deals. This right here is people they have you know, they have really good deals sometimes, you know, and they have good prices. That's why they're put here as solo deals. This is the one I was looking at over there. Here his price is 46 cents, and here, well, he's actually honoring his special deal. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go with Mr. William McCree. We're gonna click on his pictures, and if you can see here, 23% sales, 23% sales. But again, guys, this might seem like a really low number, but then again, look at how many solo ads he's sold. He's sold almost 2,500 solo ads. So that's one of the reasons his ranking as sales might be low. So we're still gonna use him. We're gonna use him. I like his prices, unless they're not the same down here. Let's see, 100 clicks, 72, 150 clicks. First leads. Well, actually, let me go back. I think I'm gonna look for somebody else. His sales don't really convince me. They don't really convince me. 100% tier 1 traffic lead sales results. Let's give this guy a shot. Let's see. 38%. Actually, this is pretty good because he only has 149, and he's promising 100% tier 1 traffic results with Carmelo. Thanks, Carmelo. 31 opt-ins, not bad. Sales for me come later. 251 clicks. I have had 80 sign-ups for my business. So it seems like everybody's having great results with him. The downside is that he's booked, so if I buy, I would have to wait until May 12th for my clicks to be delivered. So nope, I don't want my clicks on May 12th. I want them tomorrow, or the 8th or the 9th at the latest. So I'm not gonna use him either. Fresh leads, 1%. Let me see this guy right here. 35%, also not too bad. And let's see when he's available. And this is more like it, guys. Today is the 7th, so he would deliver tomorrow, May the 8th. So when you get back down here, guys, check this out. Here you can change the date if you want it on May 9th, May 10th or whatever, or you can go down and I'm just gonna get it to May 8th. And here I have a list of all the emails of all the links that I'm using. So again, I want to keep using the Bitcoin Tino one. And here, don't click on this one. Let this guy, he knows his list, guys. They know their list, so he'll create an email that people want to click on. So don't click here. Don't click this right here. Just don't, pretty much don't even touch none of this. The only thing you want to go up here and you want to choose how many visitors you want. If you want 125, if you want 150, if you want 175, 200, and we're gonna get 200 visitors, guys. And again, we're doing all of this live, guys, so I'm gonna pay for it, and tomorrow the traffic is gonna come and I'll be waiting for the leads, and hopefully I get sales out of this one too. So after you choose it, make sure that the amount is correct, make sure that the date that you want it delivered is correct, and you want to add it to cart. Add to cart. And here where it says apply gift, you just want to open up another tab and you want to go to your Udemy again, and you want to grab that $5 discount right here. Grab this code, copy it, and go back to here and apply a gift code, and you want to say okay. And now instead of the 75 something dollars, now we're only gonna pay $68, and I'm gonna pay with PayPal. And I'm gonna log in. And guys, if you saw my email, please don't be requesting for money from me, because I don't have money to be giving away. I'm working for any money I make. I'm working for it. So please don't request for me to send you money, especially if I don't know you. If I don't know you, why would I send you money? So I'm actually teaching you how to make money right here. Now, if you barely turn into this live video, you can actually rewind it once I finish. And as you can see, Udemy.com Limited, I'm sending the payment right now, and done. It says thank you. Seller will review your order and accept it soon. See all your orders in my solo. So I can click my solos. Also, I got the confirmation on PayPal that I paid $68, and proposal expires in 23 hours and 59 minutes. And so yeah, as soon as he accepts it and the traffic starts coming through, I'm gonna start seeing something like this, guys. I'm gonna start seeing this right here, which is gonna show the traffic coming through. If you can see, he actually got 495 clicks, but one was duplicated and 164 was useless, because sometimes people give you fake emails. They give you fake emails, so those don't work. But you still get all your clicks. So at the end of the day, I only pay for 300 clicks, and I got 330, and they gave me a total of. Let me scroll down. Let's see, I think it was 93. Yeah, they gave me a total of 93 opt-ins right here. So I keep getting an email letting me know how many opt-ins I got, and also here I actually start seeing all the names and emails being added here. And so yeah, this is pretty much, if you rewind this whole thing and watch the whole thing, you're gonna learn how to get started with PowerLead system. I'm gonna do a super quick breakthrough again. After you become a member of PowerLead system, make sure you purchase your domain from GoDaddy. and make sure you become an affiliate, and make sure you go to the click the easy button. Make sure you watch this 12-minute video right here. Follow these 3 steps, join the Facebook group, and then choose which link you want to advertise, A or B. So again, this is self-explanatory. Promote lead lining or power lead system, which would be this one, or link B, which you would promote lead lining or power lead system and promote your primary business, whatever that is. If you have a primary business, make sure you enter the link here to make sales. Enter it here. Probably more than likely your sales page for whatever company you're promoting, and then scroll down, and you want to take a tour of power lead system, which is going to teach you what all of these buttons right here do. And then you want to go to how do I market my link. But guys, I just let you skip all of these, guys. You don't even have to really look at this. As soon as you have a link, which is this right here, just go straight to Udemy. As I show you, go straight to Udemy. We're gonna go home. Go straight to Udemy and go to find seller or solo deals. I always go to solo deals because you get better prices that way. And then once you find whoever you want to buy your solo ads from, just click on that person's profile, choose whatever date you want to use for your solo ad to be sent, and then here choose whatever your URL that you want to promote is, and then you just click add to cart. You make your payment, and as soon as you make your payment, then all you have to do is wait for them to accept your proposal. Once they accept it, you're going to start getting your opt-ins, which are going to be shown here on your Gmail. And I hope you guys have Gmail accounts, because Gmail is the best for business. So make sure you have a Gmail email. And then as soon as you start seeing these priceless possibilities emails coming in, this is going to be telling you that you're getting leads. And then once you go to the getting started here, right here, you can go to here where it says contacts, and then go to contact manager, and you're going to start seeing the people they opted into your list. And when you start making sales, you will also get those notifications here on your email. Let me see if I got some of them. So I guess I gotta go to the next page, but they will tell you right here, priceless possibilities. Florentino, a new diamond member has arrived. If you click on it, it's gonna show you great news. A diamond member, it says, was passed up to you. So it was passed up to me. I didn't even have to work for them. When somebody passed it up to me, and it says the new diamond member is on your pay line, which means you just earned $100. So that's awesome, guys. You get pass ups and you get sales. Again, if I go back, then I have priceless possibilities. A new gold member has arrived. If I click on it, I'm making this gold member is on your pay line, so you get $20. If I go back, then I go to another 2 diamonds. So on this day I got 2 diamonds, one after the other. And then if I click to see everything, this new diamond member is on your pay line, meaning you just earned $100. And it just goes on and on and on and on, guys. So also there's fast start bonuses. So if I click on this one, it says great news, cool Jane Cook. It says he has just purchased Social Profit Academy, which means you just made $50 fast start commission, which means he's under somebody else, but since he bought the Social Profit Academy, I get $50 just for being his refers sponsor. So yeah, guys, Power Lead system is working great. And so yeah, guys, just make sure you go to the top of my live. Make sure you click on that link right there. It says http www.bitcointino.com. Just click on it. That's gonna bring you over to this page. Make sure you watch this little video, and if it's something that you're interested in, make sure you click get instant access. Make sure you put your first name and your email and click instant access, and that's going to send you over to the sales page, which is going to explain how the money is made. And then if you want to start promoting this, just do what I told you guys. Just rewind this live video, and you're gonna have you'll be able to see where to promote it. And again, like I said, promote it with Udemy. So just go below the video and click on this link and create your free account with Udemy and start buying traffic for them, guys. It's easier than that. Just start buying $50 a week. Buy $50 every week and start growing your list. And before you know it, you're gonna start making sales, guys. From me just buying traffic, it took me about, I'll say, 4 months that I was just buying a little bit of traffic at a time. $50, $60 at a time, and then the sales didn't come the next day. Sales started coming in 2 months later. After 2 months of me being a member, that's when I started getting the sales. So it works, guys. You just gotta give the system time to work. So again, this is more personal than anything. If you're gonna join Power Lead System, make sure you give it at least 6 months working it. But make sure you work it. Make sure you get your link in front of people. Make sure you buy solo ads. Make sure you put your link all over social media. You can put your links on here on Facebook, on Instagram, on Snapchat, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, or however you say the name of it, the other social media, and YouTube, guys. Do YouTube videos right now. As I'm doing this video right here, I'm recording it. So I'm recording it, and it's gonna go on YouTube. So if you're seeing this video, guys, in YouTube, you know why I'm talking about Facebook, because I'm recording it. So I'm actually gonna stop the recording for YouTube. And YouTube, guys, do me a favor, go below the video and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna have the link for Power Lead System, so that you can subscribe and join under me. I'm gonna start making more shorter training videos on how exactly get traffic and stuff like that, which is the only way I'm doing it. So I'm just gonna tell you exactly what I'm doing. I'm not gonna show you anything extra that I don't even do. I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing, and it's working, guys. It's still working. Just like I was telling another person, remember the wheel. Well, I don't know if this is round enough, but let's see. The wheel is round. The wheel, somebody took their time to invent it. So it's the same with marketing. Marketing has been invented. There's been people that already got proven methods. So use those methods, guys. Why try to invent something new that's not even gonna work? Just do what is working already. Again, if you decide to follow my channel, this is my channel, Florentino Zuniga, and I'm gonna start having more videos here. I'm gonna start having more videos, more training videos. I haven't really done a video in a while. Let me see. I forgot already when I did the last video, but I think it's been a while already. So yeah, it's been 3 weeks ago. Says Power Lead System is paying, and this is gonna be another of the new videos. Right now I only have 297 subscribers, but guys, I know you guys gonna help me grow it. And what else, guys? I think that's gonna be it, because this is already been a super long live video, especially with those internet problems that the internet's not cooperating. But guys, all I have to say for now is God bless you. Have a great day, and I hope you guys decide to join Power Lead System, because Power Lead System is still growing. It's still young. There's still not enough people using it compared to Aweber or GetResponse. As far as autoresponders, Power Lead System is cheap. It's cheap compared to what they're compared to the prices of of GetResponse or Aweber, you pay way less and you get way more. You get more capability of doing way more with less, and you can actually make a lot of money just promoting Power Lead System without promoting anything else. So guys, again, this is my part-time job for now, and so yeah guys, God bless you all, have a great afternoon, and do me a favor, make sure you share this video, with other people. Make sure you watch the whole live. This is pretty much on how, how to make money with Power Lead System, or how to use Power Lead System. So yeah guys, with that being said, God bless you and have a great day.